you know, your best kind of say, on modern flat organized labor, then some few on my FFP and account. That was it. If you know me, and some year, and then I'll be PJ.
Okay. Mr. Goranyako, Medawa say, every time you best after you, Medasipi. Asante, a quick one on SNIT. And now, over to TUC4, the almost same to you. Almost says SNIT should halt it. Because SNIT, for I can say, negotiations are still ongoing. And yeah, they are SCD 60% outright. SNIT also holding on. Because the 6 hotels, no. They should come and explain further why Busia Beach and the Elmina no are successful. Because Nipakona or Pesa there no. It looks as if Busia and Elmina no ain't me and postu that enough dividends and profit into no. And you're viable to any interest away year free. And nine no what can the paying say Labadi 2023 posted 25 million Ghana cedi profit dividends almost share. They shared dividends. So it's a viable venture. Any liability at all. Why yield or cede 60%? Not to anybody but a politician. Almost some say, "Eya kamia say, SNIT Ade Akye no your former politician."
Wow, oh my, media kakra me can fast say. A friend right started discussion. Information as a relationship be anya the ede. Emma the deal.
Okay.
Me amitie me can say me. The next 24 hours, partners at Omanhene discussion we cross on one M1. As he did with SML. Our call for investigation or general report or there should be also Magana for being when you the same thing, no one suspended with the deal. Because my transparency, you know, NCP and you may there are some more questions are demanded for answers at the moment. And you know, to me, a diamond one way canopy nanka. Said discussion you could say we have another demonstration, but now some back up 7 interest and yesterday. Well, on finance from Nanny Monimi, about 12 for the Oman State and Rabontin.
Don't halt it.
That's the whole deal. Now, Oman and better and further particulars. When information you are not the next lamp, I shall wait for taking future. But as it stands now, there, and yeah, dear man, Abino, Sebi,
and they said they've requested to meet him, but they are still waiting for the response because TUC made the Omo catch and say they want to meet him on issues of SNIT. Now, wake home, and some of the investment are sensitive. SNIT in here may be too careful. Now, be Jaguar Bontin Swa, Omema, the investors, no so I withdraw. Almost so, Sika, almost so de Babishim, and into Ombesom no man penny shiatanasi. No more China Junisi near my baby so. Because SNIT is becoming a cash cow for politicians. Akwa says, ye ton SNIT Ade Akye Abia, baby, as you know, ye toma amanyonia. That is what they think. Say, I must SNIT. The sensitive nature of SNIT is the investment side. It's almost why extra cautious. One way now, any baby swa. Now I say I confirm investment crowd down the drain. I feel pension. Very good. I can't trust on my we have occupy resource distributions. Resources are their money. Sebi, Seme will be a school. Okonya Jumaya or Bangi Bia. Secure the man and with good events and management, wait him bra. By Semi be a minister. At the same time, a banner new baby away be more advantage. I may sign a baby. Now at the same time, me minister, me yere assign near Juma and the key positions. What I say that the whole resources in this country will be centered at few people. And that is what is going on.
Any breba because maybe school you say on my take on my but Juma will take Ghana how bet him aquabia musa takune simple abia ice water do suiti any bia any way but Juma be anywhere to memu say me ko bia what is certificate be ko near her by virtue of experience say be die bibi ankomu a wonya bi nye enti eno ma
o say bibi eka papa no na ye grade
ansana o mati say bibi say ba enti no we ade a obey minister o sebe na Brian so am for wa bobra so put the property wanya it doesn't take anything from him me kra me na nkaba na kra no kasa bi say ba na nsem bi say ba ye bo di me jai aban no cry say odi mo na me pa chow
because it also raises conflict of interest. Because the law of conflict of interest, no, you say, Ujina baby, and now to me, and now Bobra, and now Dibientino, and you may be a bedi wa, and can yes, I dienwa, and I saw Bobra and Dibiani to me now. If you were ordinary, if you were not somebody who wields power, and I say, meaning Olivia Kunu,
Madame Fu.
And I may pay contract no Olivia Krundi contract amami. Obia soon say mene Olivia Busiano ye bopa. It is a nya Busiana mini omo bank as I contract on credit ma asante eboa. But I'm say mintino. Ena menya. It's a conflict of interest. Ekowiasia minya sika Olivia ni kunu bedi bi.
Say no na me buza say no say metu me ni na do ba friend Yankoba na friends mpokura.
Anyankoba.
Say me no akọ
Yankroma
no akọ pre contractor. Koku say me twe me ho. Because na
akọ ba den na akọ pre.
Me si den. And in this case, any kwan so ban because no papa ya mampanyini. Ejapade a wo yitua ne ka so de bi hwe ne ba. Na se bi yatimi a so akoko na obi anya bi. E ba sa oti wo manim a you have confidence the nepotism.
But some are also saying Rock City is different from Brian Champon.
But it didn't matter. I say group Indium, many Papa was Indium. How do you Ubechemu Indium message
dichotomize them? I don't pay my Olivia Kwaba. Oli? What's sentimental? Why a dini chasso? Oli? Ogre. Oh, mine. Now what to say? I don't pay future life what I say. Olivia Wahanum, Olivia Boakye, Oba Papa. Mammy Tia no pay.
You future life for the yeah, the Bodachi who here. Said the Mokano. A binum dachi who here binum. Na Mudia, Mudachi who here if he sent it to Mudia, ya, or so ya. And then one arena door so Papa. I'm so last week, me who Pepe be nurse, memano. 60% you come pa infection. Prostate. Eku omo pa hame pa.
All my men come. Go check me there. You see it is 32-year-old.
It is over protected.
The prostate.
Also I draw that one na pa.
Intact.
It's in a future life no.
And you make human me yache papa.
I don't think I so protected. No say prostate be be obi. But say bacteria na nkoma entimi enlarge. So ni na lifestyle. Entimi enlarge na say bacteria no come so a China cancer than wajim. So it's in infections there be a can wasam or no. Tis a my mathematics say 95% infections that causes some man prostate. If obi obi. Because I didn't know brofuno muni prostate cancer near the other. Mako. So beside home, I said Yankopon do mo chen na Debbie. Yeah, I had infections for her. Infection bet 25 na Ghana. We Ghana enti sana mekano. Eti where the back where the back I was maybe now because me back doctors in back by omoko school be ko yeah infection checkups school no 4,000 nipa 18 pen any bi eti oba no se mami next 5 years Ghana obi any be fra obi abenya kidney problem obi abe okasa afa na wontimi nwie fi say bacteria na nko mu a sa yare ni ntimi mba enti abrofo no sia no adenti na ye de ejeja ye ho sa ti na da bia meka say na o mani nkomo nkola no ko school a mbakwa ko fa aba efiefo nyina benya bi ma menya bia papa ne benya bi na majority ne ya na free man no ya na man no feel say me man no say be obakotwe mpena no mo de aba e man no the way ho city no e different from me man no e man no trash no utina toilet nso e beba sisi a but me man dey difficult say obenya say me man dey benya ne so e wa ya no mo fa free ma ho so nti obi o ha okoye pe onu se du kru na akotwe mpena no oba de aba no na ma so ye do e mama no nti toilet am yusu nyina nkola ne timetina so to the free school ba pe wo ba no be che be o be ma ukru ni sesi a na wasan twa ho ne be ma ne ko se be okotwe mpena no
sa can be
infections my ho no the way city na enkoyi so enti na da bia ye bo ho de ro se obia misa ne ba nkola ne pa ne de ba o misa ne ba o ko school office school for nkola no we kwatena so na we akwatena so na office o flash a ensuo ne mabiem enti o so mo nim enti o mo ye se me se da no bi di akola bi ba ho se me hu na de hia no wuye ha me papa na ma me no so nim o se akra ne de na ba o se na chie ne ya se the kidneys no go achi gubi bim to second time wachi eti am say onya infections no na yedin free school aba afi na ne na start peja no emu hono kakra eti obi kire no ho a obae ho no amebe na me bisa ma me ne say ya na say hu bibi o say ade poto obi wona say am say woman na che ade she akra no frame me say akra na free mu eti wo hwe de wa infections ku nkwala na wo yo ba tan say no bedi nkomo bisa ba be ma na say ne be ma me ne ya ana na chie ne ya na odwonso ntentem eso bisa na nkasa akola ni student won timi nya ono ade beba besaw nenam se wo ye panyin ni nti no ekwa wo ho a wo min system no wo form enti be say wo na beba be ku kane enti ama kidney problems are so crash malaria this time o kidney so ho cap e beka wo liver e beka wo heart e beka wo brain dem wo akro na fe wo nyine na se de nkokodwe bi ne na mo no wo betiti wo sa bacteria ne be fa ni etimi block wo tubes e ma no mema fon etimi twikom afa ahode nyina afrim ni nyina bacteria na fi se all cells no so enti na da bia bo ho da ro na Nyankopon adom ye green tea bo ha ekumwa no ti me say han be say de tin a edi ebo ankrofo bi kura bi simfichira so ha kura na ekokire future life abre tea a ebo afi se bibi report no do so sa na ye de feedback no ko no me de nyoma abre na ade na etwi nipa vem no ye wo tea bi wo ho a ebo di papa na for by 3 months na sign ya na ebi frɛ ne set ofe ena tea enipa me si dua nyina ne problem obi aposo bibi wo so se frɛ ne gregro ewo ha enye okotodwe nkwa na wo na wo gina okotodwe ne so nti na wo hu se ho no wo nyina na esan na wo ni di yi a etu be se kase na sikase no so na so na nkokom tim na fa to ase ho sa na be so sisi ye frɛ ne siatika ni di so e de pa eti se one treat a anasa ankwa unama okotodwe ni betwitwi sa na ese wo so okotodwe ne rough e kase super be se na ehu afi obe ntiri ne ye den sa okoto anu achi kase ni biebie o ma bre tea bi wo ho a nkrofo bebre nim a short ena aba o momunim no e twe venim na vein na sa ayemre se vein na anyamre a wo ye den nko etu be hu se ebi sisi achi a yesi akobo belt na ebi kura ti mi chichire omo nan no na wo akasa vein mpo ntimi nya adwuma dada nti wa chichire no vein no bibia ntimi mfam eti yesa ye nye tea a twe vein mu na nkasa o momunim de omunim dan no na be ka hye Nyankopon no nyam obi ba no se biko aye bi asema bi se wa boka sa na ne sisi oba ho ekọ enti ono so bae oma ba omunya bi nyina na aba ebi frɛ ne tofe na tea no aba na se dia brochefo si to sa ade no na ade no sa tea na ko ma ye live so ekom a apart from say ekotwe vein ba twi bibia nya bia wo nipadua no mu na future life there me se mo da ho hia me ma yare pen minim say there is city enti ntra ho nyare ansa no the future life obi antra future life is good for everyone esiesie nipadua no emprema yare ntra ho nipadua no liver and kidneys no kuta ne heart no wo didi nuane bia keka ebeku ena obi kwa kwakonum tea or robem obeto wa ache gu robem gari ni bi se gu robem enkwan egu robem poison pa na de kom na de akwhye ba ifu obi oto ba bedwene no wa na de poison ko nipadua e break system no enti misreti efo so bia mra yaso ho tuba ye kiro nuane abedi ni de owu ni nyina anwumra aduane no misreti efo so bia anya edi wo koda esa we bia nu yam na wo kidneys net ma ye adwuma ye wo didi awia heavy food a wo koda na digest fine enkotiti bibia nwu yam na nkoda ye obia futi so ono ankasansa enti wo di aduane more than won sa ba miensa wo be yare according to articulator sefa cement 800 na kofa 2000 u break no wa ankasa u break ho eti yare bebre na invite my ho yare bebre na invite my ho ensuo hia chen nipadua no aduane na wudi no nipadua ni hia nsuo 75% of body ni hia nsuo a ye nsuo papa chen aduane na obedi no ti uba ho chiro nuane obedi ndi oni nyina na uba na ya ma to over apostles bi vegetables bi a ya print egu paper so ye pese obi anu bi ne ko nipadua ni hia balanced diet ti future life a balanced diet it is yes you tune so kwesi wona ase emprema yare ntina mu obi amra ya so school for nkwala na mesem no mu ni nkomo na infections no say ama member bebre anya prostate enlargement cancer ama bebre jonso ema bebre mema fon sebe o so okọ toilet so ada bibi filter free ne be mamu ba na ade ne so ye nya oba no ne nya be ma no partners ne na eseye so ma ofi a bisebise o mo na yi o mu bi fi se sa de kro ya betima se wani bacteria ne ba mu ese nipadua na nkasa edi nipadua ni nya etu be ya sa wo be se nko eti me ba doctor ba ko say mami obi aba na osa na yare na nko ama infections tea ni bi ampa o ma ni tea na be sana no ho ato no infections wo Ghana ha papa ti da bia ya sire obi a se o mra aso ya o mo da ache ho hia ye ewu o ya ntiti mudi ya What bro wa show masa I feel be he na afi de sika ni yom de to no ma. Enti na wonyare asa no the future life. Future life e aduane ankasa. Wudi ne na pam yare wa firi ni padua num. They are to apete o man mu ba bia. Na your back we friend high protein. Also blue ne wo mu no. Eboa wa poso boa mpanyimfo no. Ono de nkola ntimi no asthma. Utimi di sa aduane no. Wo te sabia wa poso yo ya ni na eboa nti ono nko na hwa ne boarding. Eboa di padua na nkasa nti wo a wonya future life enkitu admin to nyina betima beto bi ono nkola nko a na ntimi ni. Wo a wa sickle cell bibia ye obi abra yaso ye ho se ebeboa mo so full alignment. So for alignment, your numbers in 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90. Oba sa wokoto dwe analysis ye oya entina fie na nsoma. Oba ye exercise. Ye kire kwan befa so abaye wo life. Eti bra so ye ho na ye kire. Se tofe na ba. Obia ohia bibia amra me de Nyankopon jamu nyina
Olivia na motene kano for ani kire so for alignment na ne power ho no mo so koje wo de na bibia enkoso asante ebo a ope prostate yi eduru akohu no obema obi wa. There's another angle to Brian Champon the others who are also saying say why is it that we're also making noise because it's a Ghanaian who is also buying it. Yawahanuma na Nansia Tia City Hotel, Golden Tulip, Yase Lancaster. It is also well known, say, a foreign. Nobody made noise like that. Kakrebi. Argentina, Ghana ni, because going forward, in about some years to come, ABI can be wholly owned by Rock City, which is a Ghanaian. Is it because of a politician here? Do you prefer see the member foreign? Asante, the school of thought that also thinks say a Ghana ni na Brian Champo wom so a politician or a MPP ni. No na etwa. Adentina yen so ye me ni say a Ghana ni nti obefa Ghana for dodo. De etoso mienu. Adenti so na yen hunu say government bia so most often than not. Ebe wiase en ebe gu. But private investor bemwa ebetima sustaining for years. Why are we not seeing it also like that? And also what can I say?
Me just what can I say Labadi Beach Omonya say 25 million.
Yeah, from O2 or say last year. Almost a share dividends of 25 million Ghana cedis.
And now who can say baby one of the hotels no
Elmina and Buzwa Beach.
Baby.
I say be nkoye.
Baby soon koye, but the nkoye no more free. On my made the me can say me support that say over catch me say foreigner me fa o man japadi enfama no. Abra local person bet me. Yeah, wa a Lancaster they are working. Yeah, cassette yai. Say even the way and manner, ye name how
yeah, that's sorry anopa. Yeah, see this say agrophobia befa administrative. Or more pretty, ebi mo si 300 million, ebi si $3 million.
Ye nim ho hwe, ade no so sure.
The kind of the making those noise pa.
Ghana for bi cry person come ye local consortium come take over.
Yeah,
farmer. Wenti no, o man nye sebi make us say Brian and I say work to the phone here obiaya. But woman, adeba couldn't say.
You think there's not much transparency?
Oh, there is too opaque. Too. Share any pay so mo apply no. Make my case you munya na ye foreigners. Okay. Ye nim omo apply and other applicants and say bia Ghana form we wom me put the masem ni say o man senka even na no rocks is kwa nyam ba ko a na yanchi che ma obi zo betime manage bia so manage but say we dey o man japade 4 hotels ema ba ko for so manage that be say ko ba say o pese otutu buomu hotel a definitely he's going to take over the whole hotel business.
Yes, I said you're going to monopolize
the system. Enti no sebio enye sika no nko a empo wo ton 60 na so binti na betima ton 30
na almost so the on Bitcoin no ekoba say ye man bi no so almost share the capacity no ntumi a chenchina ye mfama no
me make us o man ade na ye kan nyina ye ade ye nim ye nipa na o ma apply bi kwa na obi won bokwa na ni mo odu mpocha Brian Champon but for whatever reason
SNIT says Rock City was the best. That is their statement.
And the other applicants, the other applicants
should also come out and tell us.
Hey, on my one kabeba. Say the word you may because Lancaster to say na a be free free Libya. The BC free here in Nigeria. Yeah, won't even as of
now we can't tell what some are saying a Nigerian company.
Ye nim and one say at home.
And Lancaster Sika Omunya golden tulip. Not golden tulip iguana.
Debbie no cry. If one of the few hotels and a year about home in terms of revenue, na e can be. Adia ema sika. Ne ahwa to say obi man manage. Abra yehu se ye bede ye de tender bi betu dwa bompo de say o ka say o mo publish bi daily guide daily graphic those years back, but with regards to Sir Lancaster and podi enim sa na ya na ekoso o man say ye lizi o man ja pade ama ni pa bia competence ni wo ho, but say enipa bi wo ho a o man yehu deal ni mu ye efiri anu abesi ne wuti ekugete o kan say ni one idea expose ni betu dwa issues of conflict of interest. SNIT and Timia answer that question. Other issues people raising ya. Oma answer. None some can say they saw Rock City as the best bidder, and for that matter,
how best was he?
They name one be free or free him, and I say omo ya him for. And the simple o mine. Yen Timia consortium. Local people be a omo so metima come home boom. No much in your management, they make an say. It should be.
But Asante, you can't blame SNIT when a local consortium has not surfaced. You are me Toma dear. Nese bright abase obeto. Na ya shemwa wa mabase obeto. Me share bright bid or de mamino ebeboa. Ne managerial skills or Rock City me de compare ebeboa. Nese okase Adentina mama kwayama ohini ni yabo amane kuku ani akosi asomo anka mu ma meto me no mama kwan. I gave the opportunity, I advertised. It's at the end of the day say wo wa meto a na so obi abeto a. Some are raising concerns if Brian Champon can manage it well, because to them Ghanaian companies most often than not because Ghana food, you know, o me kwa akose no.
Oh my Ghana ha isusa oh my Ghana ha hotels ahodo abomudi me private hotels are Ghana.
Private hotels.
On manage over the years, sir. You see, sir, yet me who say on my year, Juma. You can mention most of them.
I win about Juma.
About Juma. And I make us say, on all compare one man woman. You may any part said you knew almost on my day, but when would the neighbor back up on us since one abomudi. And no could you tell you reasons a conflict of interest? Well, when he say other people know most obey and they were equally deserving. And one day, you know, when you're
okay, why would Ade Akye Abia so finishing with the other and competitors? Because I'm expecting Akye to also furnish us with other bidders, no? Abia Hilton Hotel by Abia Maranet Hotel. Maybe a hotel Ascadia by you show emu draw we are come to my yaman abrosoni amfama omana, because we are only talking about Brian Champon because we know Brian Champon. Are you getting me? Okay, mamene Pagrave Boakye Choche and Commando pay Pagrave Boakye Dankwa a government spokesperson on governance and security. A memo pa ene Bambo ono ye aban kasamafo na de ntini afre na no pay ene semrase bedwafie ena edom kuma e wonrase bedwafie NDC led by Ato Forcing Kesley eno de abetu dwase aban na seda ama MPs makomako ahadu asanso no obi atete slot e won constituency say omfa nkrofo me hye security agencies no police SEPS customs no ne the akano said de be ya abato no e beduru a o metime di anyamra nsem no mo ntwe Pagrave mo achi anope
me ya be ma me Charles and Chia with you for me da so me akwenye
won pom to say
obo ade adaroma me wa modin onyakopo Israel
and obo ade ase asaba be toje your government stand accused say ade a wa ye na ehu pa election 2024 ba na omo fi say edi kro omo de from say NPP hoodlums Sompa ena ya said ama MP bia wo MPP mu onfa ni patent fi ni constituency meshim Padaroma o share aban ebam ekasama for security hu de abai no security agencies no oma bie kwan so omo fa nipa na wadaroma
ebato me that na no credieni no creba kokra ni eyentro in kontompo eyentro in kontompo eyentro san in kontompo we abema Ghana for nyani say ye security services from the Ghana Armed Forces, Eba, BC, Ghana Police Service, Immigration, Customs, Fire Service, and a prisons. And every recruitment buying their budgetary allocations to it. Into Ubesha, Omanhene another Danko Kufuado, the budget statement, I read Amphibiano, they be recruiting Kufuado, their budget allocations to it. Only Mills say we are under an IMF program. They are buying their core under IMF program. Neme bi wo no ma ayana yitwitwa so anafie ye krapo na ye ne kete ye nya ne senia na ebia ye ne da ne trada no na ne wo mu ne se every time bia ye be recruitment bia ye advertisement either in the dailies anafie they better online amankofo na see ye advertisement in the dailies and they to online na senkofo epic maybe ye nya applicants maybe be 10,000 and that's 20,000 maybe I buy a clearance for about 2,000. And you are not between your form. Now in the quota system, no, and here say ABA will be or apply or call body selection. Maybe I went to me on comedy council, no, I will shortlist you know. So do baby not open so sign a francophone, your friend in badges. If you want my mom call in badges. Yeah, ABA, you sign, I can say badges and I obey no a medical because medicals maybe as a fact, and you sign show body selection. ABA now, sir, ABA during that time now. Oba ye no na osa wo hono enebia asembia to nebia unsecha ye be yinya na so to me pass ya na fe ya cover various stages Omanhene na do dan kweku fado amemui and oba ye no to me ba be see 3 new training institutions for Ghana National Fire Service to me training for since 1957 ni bi wo hano inti se obi kodina baby the ranking member of Defense and Interior former Deputy Minister for Interior, James Agaga, Eko Kase, MPP are buying Omanhene Nana Danko Kufuado, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. It's a prohibition in the home, and the Batase in Kofu aye formono, MPP tax na, that is a trust and contompo. The woman is saying, my security training na connected. Na Nyampeni be better would say for national equity and equilibrium. No, as I say, we're making sure that your security services, a bit north, a bit west, a bit east, a bit south, a bit volta, a bit Techiman, a bit Babia, Senya Baya, Assembly Sia, Obia, between having an equal portion of the representation of the ethnic groups. And the Korean woman here can say the Parliament House, the people's representation. Ghana hanum ya obia ofi baby bia o nya send no bin to me come bawa obekwa ko assemblyman to me come bawa obehwe wo MC and DC to me kedi ma obekwa ko show MP inti ye hwe MP honum na e honum na ye neutral ground even if it is NDC and NPP obi o Ghana hanum bia assembly to na obetumi akọ ne MP honum so ye MPP ni so ye NDC ni it is here by in quota system and equilibrium system na ebi honum a say ye teacher crafo na the House of Parliament even the Honorable Agaga he knows that every time or the Incofoba for protocol you can ask him every time they are on the Incofoba set for protocol because you're making sure that everybody has an equal portion because the new patriotic party and the government of Nana Danko Kufuado and the MPP tax, military move, police move, fire service move, and you trust and you control.
All right, Pagrave.
And no next apart from na ye kwa kotuno NDC for omo bi nkuku intomo hu ni omo be ye intomo de nyema fare hu bumbom ama ye hu se asenia MPP ye nyema bi omo focusing on campaign no omo to be campaign on ideas no munja ye ni to me bu amemu no esa se Ghana for ye omo adwen se Omanhene Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a president in waiting.
Okay, Mammy Mremoha says, I am no case. Uncommon no case. Yet me call in batches. Maybe Sesiano, ye funny pebi in batches, Sesiana.
Obey one of my funny batches. Obey one because Ministry of Finance are usually almost clearance, and there has not been any clearance from Ministry of Finance. And we are running under an IMF program. And we always are making sure that the security has an equal proportion in terms of equity with the citizenry. There is no recruitment that is going on.
Okay. Mami Musawe, has it happened? Say bia quota system any equity a wo ka ho ase equilibrium a ka ho ase me. Eya abai no sheda ema MPs no nipa bi say wo je 30 wo je 20 wo je way as being alleged by sa na ya na say MP na fi say me kopra ma nipa na abai no na cheche
e bin to me see that you only say send your friend anope nkofo bebre afreme so a omunye media fo omunye Ghana citizens honorable me pacho buami o na me nye juma matise GR4 fanipa honorable buami o na me nye lupa me nye juma matise ECD4 fanipa honorable buami o na security slot ba matise nkofo sa na course na koso inti wo ye member of parliament so wo ye member of parliament or ye the people's representation. When you are telling you, we are member of parliament, so your people's representation, either MPP or NDC, and maybe you open your calls from your constituency. Now, constituency is one of the Ombeka and Nemo here. It is all one boy here which me up Womo. In Tupa, you can ask every single member of parliament, even from the minority side, that if they do not go to the various ministries and departments and agencies, so almost pay slot amomonko for esa to me bo mine oman ya ye bu mine say MPP for nko debi ye bu mine say ye Ghana for na to abama o mampeni na do danko ekufuado no wini apato ni tam memo na ye bu no ye bu ama Ghana for ye bu amemo say MPP for nko ye bu amomo iti ye ntro ye nkontompo ye ntro ye nkontompo tan ye ntro ye nkontompo.
Okay. Paragraph Boakye dan kwameda asiano pe. Government suspects on governance and security. Troye kontompo. Okay, Asante. A quick one wrap up on Paragraph's issue and minority.
Well, Majidi said maybe the minority may be having an information, but I'm only worried with the number of about 30 slots for.
But is it true? Oh, they are alleging. Is it true?
Allegation.
Say I said that che. MPP for no ya mo bia 30 say fanipa be wurem
and I make say they may have a slot but that 30 need there it is too on the higher side because me refi one of them and the same MPP can say what me buy what team police and
they do it all the time and all of them
say was say MDC for be cry
or say agaga cry ba
and then and mama de mimi hu ni say say no me in election year no the government will recruit nipa na gufie won't inform nkodo mu that because sikeni ho too.
But you were just telling me there are even police or my wia e was say a post woman omo da so wo change
me mate say police for ni bia wie 6 months courses or police institutions.
I was think about this time.
I was say mo ba efie na another batch bi ko but oma overstay
they will come abai Emma clearance go bo so me so akatua no be yire
opieba ho na ekotua na kenti enye no kra police for me hu enye no kra e bia omu ye mo additional training aka ho dia because some of the centers omu 6 months wakodi awie eso ye omu da so omu ntimi free or training school ma Emma omu ko e bia ye mo additional training
enye official parade ma o
say parade ni beba no ansana parade ni beba na omu say wo ko akwasati
ani enye parade a wo ko
enti amega say bia omu mo additional training
yes.
I say 6 months
extra curricular activities.
Until boys no go school or ma wie o mo te ho yentimi nyom ma. Yeah. O mo ma.
Me bye. You buy Ghana. Oh God.
You know, abana side nipa no bi say kwanfa. But
that is the issue.
Nurses for no. Akwa no kubusa sa question no.
Akwa no kubusa.
Aboa nurses for no.
But Miss Kademayo.
Oh, but last week that many age say o manpanyi abedi a che but say by Thursday.
Thursday the 16th and then 21st.
It's kind of
the vice president. Boshana akoshe no. Say Amin Adam. Say one thing ya catch no. Because Ababa wano there. Say allegedly almost why NDC and doesn't change anything. Mami Kasem so.
Don't attack the message.
Tell me.
The messenger.
Oh yeah, nurse near Osia
there. One and
what school I come back 4 years on another one my. Ozi will be more honor my mudi to become. And to honor on to me nyinaso kase.
And
7 years ni. Omo call ye omo pie nyina yetu omo ka. but ebi mu dia bu akekam etu ono no onya ni sika no bebusa yi politics ni free obusa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka so NDC ni nti
Debi.
wa babonten ebe ka say the next campaign osi by 16th May
obetua
and then 21st
177 million Ghana cedis ana no mo kasika
and then 21st sika na mai
but Thursday mo say na manfo bi bo just so social media say sika
na bi kan musika it is possible say bi anya bi nyan this is a national platform mo a promise ne ba say musika beba aba na mai oya nurse ni a ma mente wonka we tia wa
you for nipa 5 and 10 because you see aba
oya nurse ni a utie ma no pay wala wa aba na mai
onye nurse ni a men frɛ
na onye nurse ni a we ga say me nua bi de me mpasa bi ati
me ba bi de aba say ni se me
oya nurse ni o school ye ka say musika mai vice president ka say 16th May ebeba aba na mai number no is 0551 931 this is evidence based and
yes, evidence based
0551 931 0548 931 aba ma min tonka hello good morning
Omanhene
why ni
Omanhene Dani ni midwodru tetanet
musika na aba na mai
Omanhene emai.
Thank you very much. How many months?
Omanhene Pacho Femen danso.
Okay, danso. Dunkwa nursing.
Me wie this year.
Aha, musika na ede.
Let ye buy no. E 2 no. Your allowance no when you have 3 months. Out of 2 years I could be no. Nothing training.
The whole school be at the ama.
Ebi di aba 3 months. Yeah, I call the year 2021, 2022 year na there. Yeah, 3 months then aba.
Okay.
Yeah, come back again.
Mate. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Bacho wani.
You're from Richmond.
Richmond, free hey.
Goodness and training.
Richmond.
Okasi obetia 3 months pe ena wetia.
Na just say na kem.
Now I think my 6 months. That's 2 semesters.
Or the 3 aba.
Or the 3 na aba.
Oh, when you say no betia. Onya 3 dia. And you say mo wa ye mo de. Kakra bem. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cha free hifa.
Because I feel Ziama nursing training.
Hifa. Ziama, okay. My brother, akosi say.
I'm 6 months. I got 2 months.
I say, Momo de wanya 6 months.
Yes, I got 2.
Yeah, me ma Momo no atwam kakra wai. Hey, chale bi wanya mutio. Na just say 8 months, no bi wanya 6, e bi anya 3.
Ebi nya 6, ebi nya 3.
So that means that there've been payments.
Yeah,
if somebody says idea, it's not true. The vice president promised by 16. They are testifying say 3 months diaba, ebi diaba. That girl no kwande na waka cast away.
But that girl they say school for no girl no mo ko na chira kwan.
No mo ko dara se. Onya ne dia girl so mo ko omujiji susuba no.
50 pesos.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho wan ni.
My friend.
Oh, friend free school bay.
My madam Mazi nursing ni kakra.
Who we da bay?
Me 2020. Na my anema bi ko so.
Pacho. Nya ha na be ka. Yeah, kai asem about sika ho asem. It is a bone of contention say. As we speak now, ABC and ABC. And until you press ye now it has been shown say sikana ba. Ebi nya omo de.
Obi anya ni de nyina.
But okan no ebi anya 3 months, ebi anya 6 months. Obu aka 2 months, obu a whole year onyan. Obu onyan bi kra. Hello, good morning. Okay, my party chat. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, wind the my TV volume ninko from why?
Good morning.
Otemenka. Hello. I'm sorry, very remote. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Now, nurse for the man, Limwana.
Bacho make a few
okay, Musika na kwesi say.
Bacho aba.
Oh, dear, na say
6 months.
Ni nyina aba. Chala mu why they was school. See easy. We dear vice president.
The best say on my ceremonial back for Nakufo no
oh
ya no
ba o mi person hia no
no nkutu bi.
I wish I could meet the vice president. The next time Obaba Kumasi have any opportunity to connect. When I go, the next time any opportunity to see vice president, I will walk to him and tell him, say, vice president, Miss So, Tianapko Fosika. Napko Fosika, no say 3 billion. Ya jatu ho say be tromo ka 3. Ya musika ma o. And 3 11 months. Omo 2 months be the betwa mo. Aka 9 months. Why? Yes, sir. Next you for the doors until quickly matua. December elections say ba. There be my.
Ma wo musu doors won. Now, no more than almost 100,000.
About 40 to 50,000 a frame.
And this is 60,000.
I count almost about 40,000.
40,000.
Now 100,000 we need elections.
Eh, but
now that Kufuadu Nyano 2008 and we need elections. Yo.
The Nakufu.
That was your fault. Yeah, Yeguswa vice president. We just say. Also, watch us. We are listening government.
Listening government waiting.
Wait. I had it. We never have a kind. One have a frabeca evidence based. Inti we won't say ye. Mammy Jagaka, Abe Heba Clinic. A honeymoon, a quadria shot, just say a sickle cell party. Fako down. Mammy Abe a Tony Bo, I jet if you should move. A bibi drama or the sickle cell when drop ba. I'm afraid na yes, you are SS no why no. Okwa, o se me shama me abe o man yin say, membra na obetumi aboa me, obeboa so ampa. Ne yes sexual we empemu ahomre, we yam to 2 stomach ulcer, etwo anase echire and abeto abofra no so. Fane ko ma me abe ho. Ye hwe yade ahudu nyina. Ye wata na so patapa new side patapa junction. Your number is 0243 345 392 0243 345 392. Afei uba we chicken dia na BBC Boris B chicken. Eye papa. Ye ne Ghana heya. Ye kumwa ne heya. Ye se omo heya. Ye semwa no kama. Enye de asha fridge mu a unim de ade eye abofra no. Eye akokɔ no. Bomodin. O pese 1.6 kilos up to 1.2. Ne sre, na tabu, ne bo, ne mfe, na taso, ni nyina bi wo ho. Ye wo layers, and ye wo broilers so wo ho. Bontoma High Street, Presbyterian nhwe ni mu, Asanwase Market, Santase Roundabout, Unity Oil, Poku Trading the Duma SG Mall, Top High Tech, Shell Body Junction, and no one is so afraid. 05344453 05344453. Amen Scientific. The best leading alternative medicinal hospital, the whole of Africa. A stroke pa. Amen Scientific. Say a war sem chronic disease. Ya said that you know makuma kwa dionua. Send radio da. Food and Drugs Authority ajia tuma ye ye de mawo. Oba ye de dro kama wona wo sene no. Ye wo MRI machine, the highest form of MRI. Na eba holistic medical treatment. Kumasi achuma tachuma kwada so kwa so. Ena kejeti anhwe ni mo race course so be hoyen. Fred 0277001234 0277001234. Time heba. Yeah, the time heba Miss Chaba. Say ya dear to say malaria. Tontomakawo. Now go to Geno Kikabom ni adeno. No time heba, you are good to go. So when your time HH mixture and the capsule so a boost immune system no. Enti won kombo anu timi koya de. We can we me nu bomu a wo den. Malaria and loss of appetite they what to so. Fred 0244 417-669 0244-417-669. Tony Sack Electronics, any the property electronics aba. Say your TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theaters, electric irons your property electronics Tony Sack Ade Akye. So uko ezi karam kwantimpom wadumu Sane Wesley Methodist triangle no yene ndi nhwe animu uko dru Kumase Melcom kese no so yene ndi nhwe animu e wo pick and pay traffic light na se your property showroom Sunyane Cocoa Board runabout yene oi bus terminal no di nhwe animu sphincters your depo kese and once you pusu ahoma no e de na wo pay ye home appliance Edinia property 0500-309-309 0500-309-309. Kenjin and Magic drinking water is safe for you to drink. Bomodina, so benum Kenjin and Magic drinking water. A hydrogen rich minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. Emma won't ding, Emma won't wrinkle, Emma won't hydrate all the time. And you'll be able to say, Debiano, I boho, na say, Ohonam to 2 near day. Now, no Kenjina. Emma winya free bowels to me jaw 9 kama yawo Brema UGC Tafuni Road and Abawa Road to Junction wo de answer obepuso ahoma no ye Ghana hanom ba bia ye wo depo so honom a ye be mo akotobie 0241449191 ensio no ane kanje na magic drink water 0241449191 afa fibo an twitwiri osie Abra wanya Ashford toothbrush and Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste. Ubio used to be an opebia dia dance here. Bomodina, your Ashford Evidence, Executive, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Galaxy, Ashford Princess, and Ashford Prince. And you're calling and Ketuanum or Bani Bemati, Benifonum. Now, corner say ye PCA, not just a bathroom cry and Nikakeke, Mammy China Papechi, ye senka, ye casa, ye numo fresh breath. Nina, a Ashford toothbrushes and Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste. Paul Segolin, a honey war, Thibault Ventures, for 053-5452-263, 053-5452-263. Nam Bianya de Enkosukama, Dimpa, Uyamu to 2, when you su brew, O Dawana, Uti Jow, Ohunam yo boho, Wachri yo ya, Ohunam yo basabasa, Udidia and Yami. Kaho osa no no kaho fu ani chire dimpo Dr. Dimpa ye krado twem nkanchobia or second floor Wallace Towers kane mensia health insurance dan ni mu a nam de chams kwa no so commercial no friend was 0245-1184-34 obema osa how ni nyina ko obu o ye o se abodua wanum ru akọ hospital ya ye endoscopy ya ye bibia mfa sa symptoms ya me bobo ikọ wa chiri timi tutu Obekasa na machiri de ne osa kone kocha de Dr. Dimpa 0245-1184-34 and 0246-744-744 Freno na nchwen komano pa ya Minia na ompom to say
Amai nyame adum na we
Echefo ne ahwefo Abrante osi hei waje atwai na na tade fefefe ona so amempotam nyina na na ado ayi ni se wonhwe na ontoto niema ye freno MCE Maxwell of Boakye asafa medi enso otwini mutaya menu ya kumano no okay ole yo mu no mfa so wo peja we ni bra hello move this away and bring this it's as simple as that the face is new here antina na ni subri no studio ha no so ho ya de can good Maxwell Trasi okay enti MC Yakwaba
amai mejusu
ye di nkomo no ye mienu ye di kan ye omapanin dada mahama se na ni nye osha EC recruit staffs to 2024 elections wa mo nkaye de tosumi no mbeti kra na hosina doya betina radio so say kumewu executives ene ekofo man be electoral officers ewo ejoso de tosumi no minority so de so bo boma ban say mafa kontrasi enka ban nka ye fa nipa ye biemu ma ne ye pefe mo bi ahwe bi Ghana 4% muko secret. I feel the omodi akoma MPs. Obi a 30. Eba church men sa there no. Ya mamba ko why. Na me mpe baby mfanshe why. Somebody why na papa no nti. Ka che ono abo say 30 no o de oma me 2 slot. I'm betu. But any come on. And some have told you, they can see 2024 election is crucial. So for the former president alleging said the electoral commission is recruiting staff, and it looks as if say he's finding some communist inferior tactics to recruit. Rano Croucher said was sent to me yes and then 1 year. He's not happy. He's calling on the clergy to speak. Mami Tianope, you hear him say former municipal chief executive in the person of Oriajuma and Suba Bekam Zuba. Mami Tio. Oh, bye.
Maminchia, I have for near tea for you. Oh, my. Say weekend we call Western Region Inchi. We call filling station, Mirror Fair Branty. Me boom fool or no busame. Bra. But you say I would talk Sompa.
That is it. Sompa is everywhere.
Everywhere. I'm telling you.
Sompa is everywhere.
And I'm saying, Annie, no, see, Tuesday be at my show.
Okay. It's in our show.
Oh, me refinity.
Oh, Ade Abia who open through the way your child pay.
Oh my. Maybe let me take discussion maybe. Then Kamenya may start here free. Rock City in Sensible.
No problem.
Because your fundamental questions we will say.
No problem. Go ahead.
I thought that na as a people you be a who abum fear. We are very Lancaster example.
That's right.
So Lancaster we know say nye Ghanaian there. What I say. But it appears will be high comfortable. Will be a crime musa say omoto on saying. If you could have been shortchanged, but nobody knows. What I say. The fundamental questioner it was say sir a phone kabumuku
ebusa
reason ade ehia pa na nye nipa ye ton amano no
na hwan
ade ehia ne say ebo say na ode ba ne yamfanto nsani ani
tebeboa
enhunu say osisi anaze ye geni but maintain asem no the first say ye dey ma a politically exposed person no enche say bia ye sisi ebi krampa no ne de na ye e ba he ne asi no bibi ti say La Palm Royal Beach me boy eso mo posti be 25 million Labadi Beach
25 million dividends
25 million in
dividends
2023 good it means ejina na naso
okay
na a hotel atimia make a posti bibi say e de amasne to 25 million now kote say you say ye ton ama obi ebia 25 million krona and now 20 million krona and pa krona say you go and kumfo I don't know if you get the angle I'm coming from.
But hotel so was here
hotel mpokra na
hotel are post two dividends I was here ton I was here mark 60% will be better
enye man na metie me pese me fa argument from two angles baby awubusa no ehо ye one and the other one am the starting
okay
what you say ekoba say such a hotel you see here ton 50 million krana master ni apo osisi
okay
one was the idea you see here ton 60 million 100% am obi a osisi name a hotel a make it 25 million a year now ko ne assess na obi so beton $5 million atumri kan ko ton man because how many times na benya 25 million na hodo $35 million was $50 million
yeah
bisa what you say family ka never come on because obi on say 50 million there with that money no obetimi anya investment you could be much more than the 25 no e dey mouth CCA. That is the angle I'm a person analysis
yeah discussing
not because ya dey ma obia or ye aban nipa na say obia or ye Ghana ni na a politically exposed person because this you my phone kabo munko you know they are better placed so mo betimi anya information aye kura yenya I was say kamo de betudwa
Say we no edo musika e ba so mo de
press conference no. SNIT ya mo dia. Adwumayefo ye nyina ye de am na mo da ya no. Meboa. Ye nyina ye te SNIT. Ye tew. Ye nyina. Enti no mo amoda ya no no. Ansa na kura no. Mo mebusa se nipa sen na bede ye. Eno nya secret.
I asked O2 a question. Yeah. I didn't get a satisfactory answer. Mebusana say 2018 they posted an advertisement. January 2019 they posted an advertisement. And for many suana, I say FIA nisu nemom SNIT nemebu sensitive. Okay, so if it was sensitive then, why is it not sensitive now?
Because from the onset, a different in also more can you know.
And TUC has a representation on the SNIT board. What information did he give to you?
May the American say, and yes, SNIT now 60% no more tone. And how more? Name me pay a corner on how.
That is your who did you say that is the
question now when you satisfactory answer no. Because I didn't start 2018.
Which they were in the known.
Yes. It is 2018 say if indeed mon person SNIT beton one. Ehona come be sorry here.
Okay.
2019 come be sorry here. Awomo 2020 process na wo mu abepem ne. Enne ya mo unu so omo conclude ama bibia na kodi a particular entity ho no. Ehona mo issue. Eti ho no mpokra no ahyase no. Ana mo de mu nimu a ene nei na mo se mo ye press conference. Press conference no sabi o man ti asem titiri bia wo. Because dia ye kan esi kasam ne ye kan.
I was here na man fascinate am much askele.
Am much askele kwa be so. Mo me kan kire say Brian the champion to SNIT
auto 60%.
60%.
The sika o dey ba no.
The cost of be 100 million Ghana cedis ni nyina ka say the owura Brian ade sisi sembe ni. Na nke nyina ye nka bi mamo. Ana meboa. Na momo no ekoba se owura Brian the champion 60% na water no. Eye sika twitwiri dia nipa be 10 e baba bi di ye ni nyina no. Ne dia wo soro chen wo mo a mo be ka dia asem.
SNIT is telling us Rock City gave the best bid.
Precisely, I'm saying, Omono are better place. You have a
why are they not also telling us the other people Omo bid?
It's because I said to you, sometimes we hear some of these, okay, we normally a different, but say, our the contract, we need a bit different.
No more tender, no.
We are tender now. Who we are? The respective microphone now.
No.
Omo na otrema omo report ma omo say
we are sorry.
Yeah, we know. We one successful.
Okay.
We mu na successful.
Okay.
What you say? Any other. SNIT can come out and say okay, on this facility, we meaning so omo year no together and omo year in Losa. Ebia hotels ne bia lot 1 lot 2 say no omo year no there.
Na 6. Almost say Elmina and Buzia was not successful. Bid no ko bia ma ho. Probably was not profitable.
Yes.
But 9 or more they call you.
And then go for ba. It won't be me abeka say
but can't it also be say Rock City go afford nyina? How?
Because ti o ton wa dey how dey ma hwan.
O ma dey obetimi ai.
O dey ma the highest bidder, nya dey obetimi ayo. They are not looking for someone obeba be manage hotel na mo.
They are looking for money to invest.
For money
to invest.
It is a me say me ton me 60%. Omanhene Yaw wadu Boakye o ba Sompa yi. Ena Sompa o na so woton. Oton no o ba he na also be ma be 100 million Ghana cedis. Me ba he so me ma 120. Libya so be ma 150. Sompa
na Libya na 150 come on.
Anya hwe. That you benya ska. Libya benya 150. One card be ma.
Okay.
What the Bama the highest bidder?
Yeah.
And I'm a boy. But Sekoba said the highest bidder near a politically exposed person. Should you say one farmer? And now the highest bidder near Ghana near, would you say one farmer?
So from your angle, it's not about whether he's politically exposed or whatever, but the amount of money he's investing.
No, and
SNIT fees say viable. Omo the man oswa looking at the way he's managing Rock City, no. Obetimi aye. But it still also brings into play conflict of interest.
No conflict of interest anywhere.
Why would you say there's no?
There's an authority.
Why?
Right. There is no conflict of interest.
Because that's the issue. Okujeto is raising.
Politicians may say there is no conflict of interest. Brian Champo, why you was SNIT?
There.
Sompa.
SNIT nya aban there.
No, aban there. You can't conflict of interest. You have so a municipal assembly. I'm the municipal chief executive.
Very good.
So a municipal assembly, asset be our moton. Now me pese me tobia. Now me declare me interest. And I say omo me if a board no or me can board no crown. Me declare me interest. Now me use me position at the kokoto. So a municipal assembly there. And found one prize that me quote 2 years. Conflict of interest issue can arise.
Mami Musawi, hold it. Memo at Enra Troto. Mami Musawi. So I mean municipal assembly twade. One declare we interest. Okay. But oye and I say obi a wa bem. A obi enim so wa bem. Obi di say ira chairmansa. Or your ex official member or swami. Imispa or more twade. Or ya bem nipa. On to babat or come. Na oba na because of onunti ebia na yire kra base obeto na onya. Can people say because of chairman's pedigree in the position in the toma, will you call that conflict of interest or not?
Yeah, but conflict of interest, a man on one side, na me man another side of it. Remember the whole case. So man declare me interest. It then becomes an honor issue of conflict of interest arising. Now me can be say me was swami municipal assembly. And no interest swami municipal assembly to wadi amintimin to be. I'm running kasa baby.
Okay.
So a municipal assembly to wadi. Now me wo interest to moi. I was say me declare say bia me ni pass me me municipal chief executive and our company krona or more bede no me mo bia hu no me position me stance on it first. O my what you say? Eti e ba sa dia na me wo board no a e be take decision na. I was saying, me who free board on so.
You recuse yourself.
Yes. I was saying, me who free board ne better key decision so because I was subia. Ebia meti me influence decision na ebekon. Am I do get my point? Once that is done, the issue of conflict of interest doesn't arise.
Okay.
Later, me assembly ho bi mponu no. Now how do you say obi a wonu ni SNIT no? Ono de on timi nkobede. Obi was SNIT board members no crab betimi abidibi.
Mami anyway, a simple definition of conflict of interest in law. A conflict of interest occurs when an individual's personal interest, family, friendship, financial or social factors could compromise his or her judgment, decisions, or actions in the workplace. Government agencies take conflict of interest so seriously that they are regulated.
In America, they are regulated, and some Ghana, okay. Conflict of interest, we know say arising.
Okay.
Myself, SNIT CEO, SNIT board members,
and a bar say ye ton we no.
A boss here taking decision or a board member.
Obey you one.
Yes. I'm ready and see one.
Yeah. The law says that. Don't cry the man.
On SNIT unless there will be evidence that say
because of what by Muntina
and Abia what collaborating with new colleague via or back door
and other man. But we don't know an
so will be any evidence that the issue of conflict of interest.
Somebody is also saying that any Brian Champon swank here for the man one.
And then I'm a person here. Sikana water on the betchere.
Okay.
A buon on the betchere say a year or nundino, ya the amana di 4 day.
And I say,
ye
what Tiabua
deserve it.
Okay.
And I'm a boy.
Your friend is your young queen.
The other one has to do with Lady no.
Lady Bay.
How busa question. A more beyond target lady so I end this in it. Lady na cancer mama NPP. Will be on fan argument course. One name tia allowance no. And then no crenso. Ye tia what you hear Emrantia name about wife free and their voice. Because a tonchini didn't know Numoku our year.
Okay.
Another thing Lady Nasa ya maye. Wama Ghana for you know what dana waka assembly. Or say, Mr. Vice President, sir, allowance no. Emubi na ye mubi di tuya your school fees.
Tinaja say, say, so one pass we
Papa. eti mu obi antagi lady no negatively waboaye waka message bi akire sa allowance na aban bi ba ya wo betwa mu na aban na ahu so mfaso no NPP de ba ya na eye adepa ba edile yentuai mesra mu yebu bi bewie school ya na afofo no bi I don't know depending on the tua wo school fees eti mesra senka mo betua ne daben na vice president yi announce well wanya aware of but on the finance minister bekasa na yatua insistent eti se metise minu anu ma NDC for kan bia na fantini bese ehye mahoroba
says omuni moral right
moral authority bia so kan bi because ya ntwamu e wo ho na delay mo de mo se ahokyere aba ti mo yiye firi ho kra eti oyi se fan NDC yiye firi ho no ma hwan na betima ba complain
say
NTI ye buy na say yiye firi ho a obi betima ba complain obi atim me complain ana meboa eti abaw ya na ma ya hunu se allowance na so won faso pa na twa NDC fo twa mu no so no omudi mrantia ne maba wa ekọ nursing training na wu teacher for teacher training no ye di one because bebre oho ma onye sika no kura ntua school fees no number of years was what the completing the program never so no na say school no kura wantimi anwi wakotena fie but thanks to this allowance bebre etimi aboa etimi akwa wonya emu akakra free ni wofa anane maame anane papa ho allowance ne ba no watimi ayeden e di asoso ena mesaye me checks kakra enokre ena omo find omunye niye also school be our coordinator our ya allowance
yeah
and I believe says yes
ebi musu delay pa
yes you push for equity
anamontu onye
because ebi mu de ebeba from first year to final year
ebi musu de
because the lady no obusa question no I believe so a peculiar problem I also omo hweso because many lady bi kasa e wo komfa noche and what catch me say omo mate no there was one lady a woni mu na throughout omo ayi ni nyina na allowance ama what you say throughout na ayi ni nyina no allowance na ama it's possible say be a lady ni wo a similar problem also omo ani ko ho and as a problem bi say wo no ma omo make sure because me who the entire students here campus nipa be 500 na be a 499 dey aba na me nko ame dey ma ya na sa asem wo what you say e nkrata asem no resolve some of these issues.
Okay.
And then
Mami, welcome Ofori Ajima. Zuba Akwaba. Now I want to say.
Yes, we are sent me here.
Okay. Mami on also handle too no na fe yen hwe o man pani John Domani mama.
Final security dey nka ho.
I no ni na be ka bom. On say emre no nti. Ofori we were looking at Brian Champon issues about with SNIT. And allowance so one asema and also
simple. But for baby so no yare for aduane aya no ani we ni anu wedi. Nti yare for aduane say wonu anu ni ya. Akoba so ntimi ni awso ntimi ni. Mbacho engineers and planners. Mining giant to Africa. Some mining giant to Africa. Oye jumo Tanzania, Guinea, Zambia, South Africa. Etro bi otimi ku twa adwuma o Australia. Waboka over 5 million abekwa ya famra kwan so ede nyinahini box site dem man so onko exploration
58%.
Oye Ghanaian. Oye Ghanaian.
Bachoman kanasema.
Oye Ghanaian. Indeed, the lesser John no starting processes na or aka also we the parliament ni nyina. That after Sir John the na ma Ibrahim committee sika.
God Sir John
told me. John Dramani Mahama. On the basis of that, ya maninye. I am kase kwasiafo ni Google na ho.
Asema kai wan fan kwasiafo aka ho.
There be sometimes I don't maybe one message aso nkwa no nyansa. Now we no dey champion no dey. No wa ban mu na. O timi gira bonte ka ze hu ka che say power ne yem fa man no. Ono dey evetimi asesa aban hotels akese be 5 e dey ama no.
And 9 60%.
Secretary West House one. Secretary West House one.
Yes, what better?
One kwa na Ghana ni. I am just as an amokano. Gets as annoyed. If Ghana ni be nua on the basis of say conflict of interest in tea. On timi nya adwuma wa committee sika or expertise. or expertise. Oye no conform mind so and then with the abra China for us to speak in the box nobody's exploring it.
Abro visas and Ibrahim Wan come this time.
He has started that. Abro, look at the number of people that could have gotten employment in that enclave and its economic impact on Ghana. And say Ibrahim no Ghana no. Onye sika 10 billion trillion diabe it remains in Ghana. China for am go mtu ambasa dia ko. Mose Lancaster e ho dia. They are fronting apuntiani no enche owu ambo hu ne tente Ghana ni de ofi achim.
Lancaster.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what you are alleging.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only Ghana ni dia. Umba kono yiri free Nigeria. Ni rapa na mecho. Umba kono yo chini ya yiri free Nigeria. Eno mako. Oni mno mama fa. Share.
Tinya Lancaster kwa.
Debi. Kochira no ko hede ekoso ho. Masa no makoso Ghana ha o.
Chirano.
Na seka go di bi nko mo kan bu ma ya de. Se no ko mo ja chi di mponi anya me na be che. Ba. Mo mani na o. Mo mani na ho na de ekono enye fe. And I'm telling you that when Shrad goes into this issue, you will see 4 other Ghanaian companies, some of whose bid were bigger than Bane Champion there.
Really?
Who the Shrad bid transfer? Shrad bid transfer. So won't take the wind out of the sail. And you see people say yeah around good bag and about Boakye go fields and around good Sikado so say Anglo good na nipa de said me share yi nyame anim e de ma Anglo good na sika so say around good na we ase o musa be twa hu dwa bro ni say na egu no what I say e peba what I say e peba na onyankopon wa he no kwafo anti how does any na de oye anyway nyina be hu eno na wawo ba omiati kwa wasi di kan koye hu fin bra na ba bi obeko bia obewie nu wa ese kutre janai wa en hu fin kakao oko bro ne ne ma no kusi asofofo ma ko ka di anka wi wasi ujoku he amemu e ya ba life survivor. What we say, Nyamia D4, a soft form, the conscience of the nation was who joku. Sana Kojoku Zimbabwe go economy, no de ba. Young fancy, young carry. Young carry on San Kobio. Nanu ye, oko is him. Ubina noa. Me a penny jo mama. Yen ye feast room, yen ye free. Now, Miss Weddy President Bida. And take all my mini bi no kwa de o kwa
obedi nine
wedding watch baby I will reduce I didn't could do.
I will reduce I could do there.
Is it about where you come from and the obedi ekufie? It's about what you can do to solve the problems. Take how quiet no it doesn't come in. There are problems that are confronting us. As we speak, this country, debt exchange program, regional bilateral debt institutions, until we are not servicing debt.
Yeah.
IMF Sikaba, Yakoti Koko syndicated loan. As we speak, dollar is 15.2. What are you doing about it? What's the plan?
Euro is 60.
81 year amount. Plan na $80 no way. It just said the next 4 years we won't have the luxury of taking loans because that time the servicing of the debt will be due. You have to put in place pragmatic programs that will help us raise income money within the economy.
Yes, and I'm also budget tax.
Yeah, plan. Tell the Muhammad the note I say practical. Metche, I don't know about there. Metche, Hong Kong, Muhammad, come on, quite there. Yo, what I say? Tell us what you do, baby. Free. And unia say be coffee. When the phone will fear echo. We are interested in Ghanaian problems. And so no wako north. No mammy bakune ne kasa. No mammy baku person chesa wako we at Shaiba. It me person who's a seminar walk and menu free. Timmy, never had been to my mammy answer. My men say, me a sofo, me free East Man Prusi, West Man Prusi, na you go precise. Me a man Prusi ni. Nebo, Yami Juma de Mababedu Yendi. Yet the Sikako say Gold Street. go ko securities mu ama na lock asem o ka che ma me say mo de musica akoto na say mfaso ba ho ayente eye ka na mu yedede
ya o me ane ka sa
yeah nyame na wo na sikwem ene wo ye no hufin no asa kogo jira nurse fu anim ya restore allowance ya tia say na akora ba ko ba be jira ho akora ba enu captain bo ejuma mame ai asifo anko ba ko efe na cha so pan ko no o ye ejuma mame ko ya mani ho ye me kwanya se me fili anka me ejuma ni finisa akora na anya de panyi de mi san sa akwese no una ko ja anko enu say allowance wa restore and the muya hanopa no ya onu put this ya muya me say what ye Ghana nurses registered nurses association and yes 6 months ni 8 months ka wo e be there as way as 24
yeah but we discussed it here
and what categories
the why else no where does it come
in as a ni 6 ni 8
never no impression was created here and no they uko on that tangent time no nya adwene
mama come say
remember across about say asema wo ka we no so
say mo de mo kan na me ma adwene wo de
what you are actually flawed is wrong.
It cannot be flawed.
It is wrong.
No, my opinion of what you do cannot be flawed.
What I'm saying is, David.
Me say,
David.
How do you verify their background? Because listen. Because in this age and time, where we pay people, politicians, we pay people to put up messages in the media, which are false. Anybody can go and hide behind the telephone. No one can say,
no more comment. Let's continue. Discussion. Hold on. Continue.
Hello. Throughout the campaign, he has not said anything that addresses the issues that are militating against Ghanaian businesses. Not one. He's not giving us any plan. What the two are doing more. Who say wait there 2025? Say Ghana for your mistake. Number by mistake. Bonsamba. Even year better know what they are doing. Bonishi three the Baumia be 6 wa. Oh, be over here. Hey, Mahama, they won't mine and employment at the Bano. Nipa ba.
Hello. He's on the floor. Hello. He's on the floor. Let him finish.
What does Baumia?
Hello. Zuba, let's go on. Let's move on.
Yeah, my program. Oh, 2020 manifesto. Mahama has said that. AI. Yeah, me and I.
Hello.
Mahama has said that AI does not even create employment. I'm telling you what the man has said that creates employment. Or see what the district mining offices they call every mining district, or the EPA call every mining district, or the Minerals Commission call every mining district, or the Water Resources Commission every mining district. So assuming that we are going to employ even 10 for each of these offices in 110 mining districts, 40 direct employments and 110. Where you only plan? But we only plan. What I say, and then the Mahama is talking about the usage of filters because who call mining areas where cancer is queen. And Mahama is talking about the usage of filters. Every mining site, we are small scale mining. I buy back mining filters left in Holland. The Ababe good district mining office is one more to that's a clear cut plan, and it creates a lot of employment. Mahama is talking about 2020, about Ghana Gold Board. Which will oversee the district mining offices and precious mineral marketing company. Will be responsible for the purchase of gold. I am mass smuggling because it is not properly regulated. No, so Mahama is talking about things that generate a lot of money. Mahama program on poultry. Mahama program on poultry. Every district that is not in an urban area will create 50,000 beds out of 5,000 out of 10 farmers in every district. What I say? It's a clear-cut planner. Yeah, you money about it. This is kind of about Groma. Now on immigration, I say, okay, I want to meet in on new Maui Sanda. They asked him beyond 2018, on my year for security persons are under the Ministry of Interior, not Ghana Armed Forces, because Ghana Armed Forces, especially the military academy, they advertise after 2023. They advertise when Timianka. Abrante Obenya is almost after 2018. Not a single advertisement in place or in any of our national dailies here. Back or Patasi. Now the police for no. Indeed, you only police near Adam for.
Be my way, a more trying posting.
Me say, only police in Adam for.
You will be.
There come one more training and Quana Banamaka say, we are hand here to Quana about. Then talk to us, you come police for no, and you come my anomaly.
More Patasi.
And you have anomaly. Patasi, yeah, and for. They come on instructors, they will tell you, you're hand here to Quana ba. Me, more fast back if I do come again. Ne papa, if any do no Edimo Bank of Ghana or say Baku. My contact no we na no we see if you want more fast on any mammy on my cow, say Baku. 3 years ago, I'm more fast come again for me say. Or per se, or call immigration. Now, my friend, or penny be out, I am a young one, or yet 2 icy, or region B. Now, my friend say, me of us say, or pay immigration. I was the chief, yeah, Fenipa. A deputy regional commander of Ghana Immigration Service. Okay, chief, Mr. Fenipa. Now, go for it, they say, you're harm no more about Yantio. And I'm going to say, I say, I catch me cry me there, me of us be pay immigration, or because me more day. Mentir, you better cry me training no more. Me come papa that can make me pay me boy, I can't find more. No, I want to tell you that I'm telling the truth. Okay, chair me say, me of us be cry epe. Or tia because me more day. It happens every day.
After 2018.
After 2018.
So from 2019 up to date, police and immigration and fire and other things.
Let me give you my uncle for an assignment. Kumasi ase ho. Ya fa immigration na ma obi o ko adwuma 2 days out of the 7 days, so be call one.
Okay, 1 day.
1 day.
No upon.
Out of 7 days no. What do my uncle for no time no more call. What I say, I don't want to talk because me wanna for baby or na go say wanna for na ma information. Ko mo de mo fetch na mo ko. Obi o ha obekọ night duty, baby on pomatare o bia na nche ho no. Oko ba ko agi said the following week Tuesday, mo akọ day ba ko no tifie. O wana do ko e ba ko de make no empino do ko na wonti menka. Ni pass be said dem ko e. Na bo amai de jai if e bia immigration ni police ni eyo I me te ga
kana pa buja fo
mo bia di me ba de ekromo
bo amai
o the police ni immigration o mo di biare
this a unko
I said this a unko customs in immigration o everybody yesu
so you are confirming said the minority can no cry
in reality me press conference no me
almost see I'm 30
press conference na me I'm disappointed in them in the first place.
Why?
There are some they be ha yenye in the press conference on bejai so for 30 no bejai omunyai in the what's the essence of the press conference bra and this for no and no be wa mo me hwe amunyansa enye bibia na o se yedede so minority ebi wo ha o se yedin ni afapra uno yere beda o announcement so I don't have what if me boa na do mani bi wa o ye kasa ye lead you what we are capable of doing, and that one I'm not comfortable about it. They strategize against us. So there are some of the things we do I'm not comfortable about it. Hey, we have press conference 30 omo befa enti nkasa so that's ankwara we omo for we be bedin kwase moment me panel ni subia
so le my brow check but China me your birthdays no na we are China there so there let me do a happy birthday to Samuel Aboakye of Berlin, Germany, from Chronicle Aboakye of the UK. There's a more Europe na moto to manem ho. Samuel Aboakye, Berlin, Unia Chronicle Aboakye Mautinkwa. El Nathan Kwabna Boateng Nimakon, Kwala Bamudin of Citadel Academy from Mandina Day. Hey, Mandi Derebole, multi-credit. Happy birthday to Stella Amosafo of Atebubu. This is coming from Julius of Sompa. Dominic Kwesie Dia of GNPC Foundation. Hey, From NS Media. Dominic, I'm up for job. Special birthday to my wife Patricia Ejapoma of Agas. From your husband, Sir Sabbath of UK. Okay. Rem.
NDC two opposition. What can I say for the? Let me cancel because President Mahama Mutriye say in the unlikely event no worry near. Nursing training allowance mubetuano on time. Let me pay bibi sati. Sa bosumi bi ahempa ho 1 week kura. Mo twam. Obi abe restore a delay. What the emphasis say watua bia me bia kam. Eno ne de otwa mu de hen emfa so ho. Anyway, yemfa no nsi ho no ma. Nana minua no so raise issue be about Dr. Mahmoud Baumia comments be are making one off. Say you can say Ora Mahmoud Baumia ko kan one off say Ninua President Mahama obekwa 1 term, and for that matter omu ofie inti yanto abama wonu na ye menwanwa se minua na kan fa ho no antimi ankan fisi no odwane me sure say President Mahama asem no kan ne mere bi no besi ni trim nti an conclude na odwane free ho no
President Mahama kan
Mati NDC for nsem ni bi say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is trying to be tribalistic. But you asem na President Mahama shi anhemfo wo sirim wo ka kire wo mo
osini nua no ono no abano oye obi a oye mate tinya de a ono kra no omode aban mema no ono so de oye na bus krom mani ti eto abano de a se obi a wo se eto abama na e oni krom fo no some to aba
say one President Mahama ofisirim Baumia nso ofisirim but ono na ye main boss eto aban ma
na nyosa
wasem na make na make bi aka ho ono ni main boss a wo se eto aban ma no what you say enye Kufuado because Kufuado was running about me, I was the running mate.
That's right.
Onu fi sremu ntina ono was here sremu for heso to abama no.
That's right.
Na asem bia o san kan ene say emre bi beduru omuntu ahemfo no esremu fo ahemfo ntu ba omi afo. Say emre bi beduru a ba omi aba na adwene so opese obedi NPP anim NPP fo mfa tumi ne ma no. Ba just okay say asem no. Sa bre no na ye classify ne say tribalism and anyway which is worse. Wa wasem na wo kan ye no akogina wo ka che say minua no de wa bedi bi sa bre no na free SHS mai na ye nua no me wo sremu no almost school fees na efi Kwame Nkrumah bre so na e free meboa eso John Dramani Mahama be ye president na Nkwara TV no muntimi nko school and then you have NDC for correct me nya kokodro e criticize free SHS same time na ye sremu nko ana o free SHS no na o mutim betina fie na aban ntimi ntua o mu fees e ma wo mo. And the Ghana need be the whole country. Yetua, including North. And Krani Metinefi. Yes, and what its own challenges. And what can say President Mahama ba yano or ba North. And the teacher Ben were yen or North. It has taken this government and yet the first interchange watermali. A monumental project. Project Mumuntu. A makromun so yefe easy traffic. But what you say? It is a obi na no one mass and same way chire kwan ya ofa so a obetimi abeboa ene hia say wa ba fie ntino oka bi chire ni fiefo say yes emri bi obeka say omumfa mame ene de omo de amame mo ma na kwanya sa abre no obedi mfie nan oka so obedu enua ni nyina hye skama enua ama oso obenye confirm sikama confirm ama ono de ya so na hwe ya hunu se ya pagya no ya de na bo ho ya hunu de afiri ni mu aba hwinim mo de man kura wo mfie nan tama no wo mfie nwotwe kura wa anye ni yi na aka mfie na mu hu ni bio me de mo de mami am wo mfie nwotwe eti mesa ya den aba bio eti between the wo mfie nan ni de wo mfie nwotwe no ho na so de man if you take it lightly it is your own cup of tea. About 2
minutes more
about security then sincere about security issues no more can you know we say NPP ni NDC atro because me NPP when we were in opposition ye bi ti de omu ye no na de me nwanwa pa ne ato forcing na ndia wo bedi trokra wo de ka 10 bi o my ana ka 5 bi enkwara ya wo kan ho asem we multiply by 275 constituencies are 8250.
How possible?
8,250 because you cannot say Swami a NPP member of parliament into a voter region constituency need NPP member of parliament into constituency for the whole.
No, but they are talking about your people 137, not Omunina.
Some American. Me say what Tron a woman I make you so. Sebasa ye chebi be within the party. NDC for nkase o makochama voter region and as a constituency. No ma Swami for. It doesn't happen anywhere. What you say? Eti o throne no wo twente no shed that limit no. Ebio sa wa asam kind of recruitment e kwaso pa. Dan pare no so on ne kasa. Because dan pare na ebe fa police on na e fa na meboa. Immigration for so almost omo friend sample. Me refidi omo the
commissioner. Na dan pare fa nipa no a oni tu omo ka. Clearance is government. Tiaban never catch that parece for 2000.
The politics in it.
Tell me.
Politics not something I'm making.
Okay.
So if they mean what they were saying, and they are no crap say your money per 30. Hey, I within this same period. I come Nansami Akwatuaba. Oh, funny per 8,250. And we'll be anti. And can Abia caution the police administration, the immigration, other security agencies na meboa. But anyway, say aban no kra ebian aban ni ahode e be ba aban ni timi aye kra nkan say hwe because omu nyina ye Ghana for NDC for nkan che me say omu aban mu no omu mfa nkrofo
belase zuba
ya unu ye pepe ni a wadi pepe for hwamo pa ye de o ka kire otena radio so wankan ka kire Ghana nyina say the largest achievement or no oba abem waboa ama na aban mfie wo twoma ya mesimfo ne palugu dam na ye kohwe ye as per spending over $12 million, about 420 million cedis ye ko no ha ye that park gini ye ju odam bia ni o na o san ko slip no hwe slip fo no wadi kan ka kire wo mo ne say wa ye palugu water dam major project o ne say o san ba be ye palugu water dam ye po bia ma butani kwase na ye tani ne butani kwase what the point na metana eti mumu ni pa no oh more than 7 bar he looks ugly over there. He looks ugly. Oh, ukazana my ukazana my idea. What the baza? He looks ugly. Now again, on security. Say na end this one nya bia ade o manya bi ombede.
Oh, hello.
Ombede.
Morning kasa.
No my
say no o manya bia. Ombede. Kombede. Ade ye channel.
Ya ma omunta.
And so that cannot be 30 times 275.
Yes.
It could only be 30 times 127 or 238.
That's right.
But munim where
make a constituency.
Yenemu ha. Me say ya wo fa eche ko patasi depo unimo bia o police for no ba there bia o mba training emba graphic. This gentleman can say no I say backlog. Since when did we have recruitment backlogs? Because recruitment you're the age category. So if it's a age qualification year 23, now backlogging the next year the person is no longer age 23. But the person is no longer age 23. The person is 24. So almost explanations on the money and tasum bad unim onyankopon ohun echiade
waye nene nyansabo akwanya
me ohun echiade no waye nene onya Ghana muda ye won nsem nteni da so ho eni da so no eni esrem say jata John Dramani mama
okay
bebio.
On the note of that, we say thank you. What is it? What's the day? Also, what 30 seconds?
30 seconds. Also, you good for
2016 NDC recruitment, and in fact, Omuma Evi.
Nine, I'm with the mama.
So in DC recruitment to be anywhere by ya.
When you say 2016 or maybe the minimum for the qualify.
Recruitment be
me ami di eche
na say mu ya mu che
me say me ami di minua 2016
and padre say agaga kraba no obeji ebeji bi she ho
that can be a lie because the gaga is not here because no I know that one ne kasa oh my son no you could see that they don't have a relationship
So probably
so he's lying because he knows Agaga is not here to respond. Agaga kwade dey one. Agaga Minister of Interior ni MP. So Agaga party oba
call you.
So clearly what I say? I don't know. Assembly a can no.
Beyond where politics one.
Maxwell. TV
minority leadership.
Okay. Let me leave it here and say thank you for joining us. God willing, tomorrow we come your way with Kawasem. Tomorrow morning we'll come your way with Kawasem. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed. I'm out.